Hello friends, welcome to Education Alwing. Let's fly with success. Today is 2nd August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was PFC has signed an agreement with whom for smart grid technology? IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay. The correct answer here is option B, IIT Kanpur. Recently, PFC, abbreviation is Power Finance Commission. Power Finance Commission has signed an agreement with IIT Kanpur for smart grid technology. Okay. Our second question was, who is appointed as Chief Executive Officer of Paytm Money? Varun Sridhar, Alok Mishra, Rajesh Shukla, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Varun Sridhar. Recently, Varun Sridhar appointed as new CEO of Paytm Money. Okay, he replaced Praveen Jadhav. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which day is known as the Muslim Women's Right Day in India? 30 July, 31st July, 1st August, 2nd August. The correct answer here is August 1st. In August 1st, Muslim Women's Rights Day in India is observed. August 1st is a day that made Muslim women free from the social evil triple talaq. From triple talaq. Okay. So this day is observed at Muslim Women's Rights Day in India. In 30 July 2019, Parliament declared the practice of the triple talaq as a illegal and punishable act from 1st August. Punishable act from 1st August 2019. So it is observed as Muslim Women's Rights Day in India. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has launched Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission? NASA, JAXA, ISRO, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, NASA. Recently, National Aeronautic Space Administration has launched Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission with ULA, United Launch Alliance. Okay, NASA along with ULA launched this mission. The abbreviation of the ULA is United Launch Alliance. This Mars mission is a very exclusive and the crucial Mars mission, and it is launched from the Florida. It is launched from Florida. NASA is in news. The headquarters is situated in Washington DC, and the administrator of the NASA is Jim Bridenstine. Jim Bridenstine is the administrator of the NASA. Okay. Next question. Who chaired the 6th BRICS Environment Minister Meeting 2020? India, Russia, China, Sri Lanka. The correct answer here is Russia. Option B is correct here. Russia chaired the 6th BRICS Environment Minister Meeting, and our Union Minister Sri Prakash Javadekar attend this meeting. Okay, represented India. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar represented India to this meeting. Okay, and BRICS here. How many countries are in BRICS? 5 countries are in BRICS. The member countries are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa are the countries member of the BRICS. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Hamid Bakayoko has been named as Prime Minister of which country? Ivory Coast, Zimbabwe, Poland, Oman. The correct answer here is Ivory Coast. Option A is correct here. Recently, Ivory Coast Defense Minister Hamid Bakayoko has been named as the Prime Minister of the country. You can see the image of Hamid Bakayoko here. He previously serving as the Defense Minister of the Ivory Coast and recently named as the Prime Minister of Ivory Coast. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Reliance Power and JERA have signed an agreement for new gas-fired thermal power generation project of which country? Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar. The correct answer here is Bangladesh. Option B is correct here. Recently, Reliance Power and Japanese energy major JERA have signed an agreement for new gas-fired thermal power generation project in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a news. The capital is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina and President is Abdullah Hamid. Abdullah Hamid is the President of Bangladesh. Okay, I hope you got the facts of the Bangladesh also. Next question. Question number 6. Amar Singh passed away. He was related to which field? Sports, journalism, politics, defense. He belongs to politics. Option C is correct here. Rajya Sabha MP and former Samajwadi Party leader Amar Singh recently passed away. You can see the image of Amar Singh here. He belongs to politics. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. Scotch Gold Award has been awarded to which ministry? Tribal Affairs, Home Affairs, Defense. Option D, Railway Ministry. The correct answer here is Tribal Affairs. Option A is correct here. Recently, Scotch Gold Award has been awarded to the Ministry of the Tribal Affairs for empowerment of tribal through IT-enabled scholarship scheme. Okay, the Scotch Gold Award is given to the Tribal Affairs. Okay, next question. Lee Teng-hui passed away. He was served as president of which country? China, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar. The correct answer here is option B, Taiwan. The former president of the Taiwan, Lee Teng-hui, recently passed away. He served as the president of the Taiwan from 1988 to 2000. Okay, and he recently passed away. Next question. Ashish Bhatia appointed as new Director General of Police of which state? Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan. The correct answer here is Gujarat. Option A is correct here. Ashish Bhatia appointed as new DGP of Gujarat. Okay, he succeeded Sivanand Jha, who retired in 31st July 2020. Okay, and you can see the image of Ashish Bhatia here. Anti-terror expert Ashish Bhatia recently appointed as new DGP of Gujarat. Okay, next question. A public awareness campaign Ek Mask Anek Zindagi started in which state? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer here is option B, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, Ek Mask Anek Zindagi an awareness campaign is started. It means one mask many lives will be conducted from this campaign is conducted from 1st August to 15 August. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Madhya Pradesh is in news. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and recently President Ramnath Kovind appointed Anandiben Patel to the governor of Madhya Pradesh because Lalji Tandon, the former governor of Madhya Pradesh, is recently passed away. Okay, as per you know, this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Who launched the personal UPI payment link mpay.me? Okay, our second question is KVIC has received purchases order of 1.80 lakh masks from whom? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you.